some nice LED neon work. No, it's probably one of the local dams because SRP is one of the SRP dams. This is cool.
Did you guys like the cat? Yeah. Yeah? What is that?
Oh, that's cool. And it's all the way down there. Okay, this installation is called Pulse.
And it's by a Toronto Canadian artist. And apparently the trees are connected to the light. And we are changing color as we go down the road to kind of feel the connection with nature. The loud booming that you're hearing is this guy over here. It's every time someone.
We'll get a close-up of that later.
That one's blue and that one's red.
Yeah.
I wonder if they're controlling it over there. We're gonna have to get closer to find out. There's also a giant TV over there we're gonna have to go look at.
Oh yeah. But the cool part is the reflection in the water.
Yes. I feel like that's why they do it through the canal. Oh, they turn those lights off. Wow.
Oh, look, there you go. Look at that.
Oh, wow.
We get to be 1780 paint.
That is so cool. Oh, this is a good shot.
Yeah. That's a cool photo.
Yeah.
Well, that guy had a good idea, standing up on that one part. There's an info thing over there. So this one is from Boston, and where they tap the glowing pads, and it creates pulses of light to the top of the bridge. For example, this one doesn't have anyone doing it, so it's white. And then now this guy's going to come up and do it. Maybe. There we go. He's going to drum on it, and it brings light out. Dad's going to try this out.
Right now, there's nothing.
Nothing white. And it looks like it's green, so it's going to turn green, and then that's... So it looks like there's different patterns for the drums.
That's red.
Yep.
That's the key.
Yeah, blue, green, and red.
That's the key. Oh, wow. And each one has their own projection. Oh, the fires went out.
Jazzercise. You fit and smiling, sugar. Swing that arm. There you go. Smile for heaven's sake. Yeah. Now find that beat. There it is. Oh yeah. That's good. Ho. Now step. Release, contract, release, contract, release. There you go. Smile.
I don't think anybody is happy.
Gourmet milkshakes.
Kind of fun. What they adjust over there changes.
Made it really bad.
It's an easy way to help.
It's very photochromatic now.
Entire city transport.
Commit to it. You're worth it.
I love that this is an actual TV, so you can see the different channels they're going through.
Yeah.
So,
Also, I found out the moving performance.
Yeah.
It's called Glow.
Oh, okay.
And it's only yesterday and today and tomorrow.
That is so cool. And of course, you can't have an event like this without Sauron. Or Kronos. Either way.
That was a bright flash. That's why I turned mine off. It's called Recognition,
Yeah.
and it was used for Showtime,
Oh.
the channel.
Where's the hot dogs?
Found the glow people again underneath the giant octopus. And as someone bangs on the drum, it does something similar where it puts the colors up into the octopus's brain.